Hi, good morning. My name is Alex Baldowski, and I'm a civil engineer with the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers. What's taking place here today is the annual closure exercise of the 17th Street levee. It's a post and panel closure put up by the National Park Service, who's in charge of operating and maintaining the project. This is important because every year it needs to be practiced so that way the Park Service can maintain their proficiency. It needs to go in because if there was ever a high water event from the Potomac River on this side or from the Anacostia River on this side, that as that water comes up, that we can reduce risk to flooding to the rest of downtown DC. The way it starts first is the Park Service staff comes out, they take the covers off of where the columns are going to go. They'll put down a rubber mat that acts as a seal along the sill, and then they'll put in each of the posts, which are all labeled. And then from there, on the back of the flatbed truck, you have this crane that's going to pick up the panels, and it places them. You start with the letter A, and then you move on to panels in B and C and so on. And they're all labeled as lower, middle, and upper. So everything comes off the truck in order, and then it goes back on the truck in order. This levee project here is operated and maintained or taken care of by the National Park Service. The Army Corps' role is that we first built this project from 1936 to 1939. Since then, we've made additions to the project that we've also built. Our role here today is to oversee and inspect the operation and maintenance of the levee closure. It is raining today, which does make for good practice. Normally it's a sunny day out, but if you had a high precipitation event, if it was a hurricane or a thunderstorm and the water was rising, you'd be out here and it'd be pouring rain. So this is good practice for them to do it while it is wet outside.